First is English worksheet. In this worksheet, we write a short story on the greedy dog. Okay, the greedy dog. So start the story on topic is the greedy dog. So once upon a time, one dog that was very hungry. Okay, he find out for food everywhere, and at last it found a bone. It found a wood. Dog picked the bone with his mouth and going back home. There was a bridge on the way. In the bridge water, in the bridge water, he saw reflection. The dog thought that there was another dog with a bone in water. Okay, so dog thought that there was another dog with a in bone in water. He wanted to get that other bone too. So he barking at his own reflection. His bone fell down in water. So the greedy dog lost his so the greedy dog lost his own bone. So moral of the story is don't be greedy. Okay. So in this story, in this English worksheet, we write down simple language, short story, and topic is the greedy dog, and we write down also moral. Okay, and moral is don't be greedy. Draw clock, draw clocks showing following time. Okay, so in this worksheet, we draw the clock according to given time 12:15. Okay, so in this time, we draw clock 12, 6, 9, 3, small small arm of the clock on 12 and big arm on the clock is 3. Okay. So correct time is 12:15. Okay. Next is next next time is 06:45. So in this clock we draw small arm of the clock between 7 and 6 and big arm on 9. So correct time is 6:45. Okay. So in the sheet we draw the two time of clock, two clocks. One clock is 12:15 and second is 6:45. Okay. Next is what is the time in the following clock? In this worksheet, we given clock and write down what's what is the time the following clocks. First in this first clock, small arm is small arm on 5 and big arm 3. So 5:15. Okay. So in this clock we write down 5, 5, 5:15. Next clock. Big arm of the clock is 12 and small hand of the clock is 7. So correct time of the clock is 7 sharp 7. Okay. Next is small arm of the clock is 10 and big arm of the clock is 12. So 10, so sharp 10 o'clock. Okay. So first clock is 5:15, second is 7 o'clock and third is 10 o'clock. Okay. Next question is, when do we use AM? So first of all, we learn about what is AM. AM full form of the AM is anti-meridian. Okay, full form of the AM is anti-meridian, and before the noon we use AM. That means before 12 o'clock we use AM. That means 7 in morning, 7 o'clock we use 7 AM, 10 AM in before noon, before 12 o'clock in the morning we use AM. Next question is, when do we use PM? So full form of the PM is post meridian. What is the full form of the PM is? Post meridian, and we use PM after the noon. That means after the 12 o'clock. That means like as example 1 o'clock we use 1 AM. 1 PM, 2 PM, 4 PM. That means after the in morning, after the clock, after 12 o'clock, we use PM. And before the 12 o'clock in morning, we use AM. Okay. And full form of the AM is anti-meridian and PM full form is the post-meridian. Okay. Next worksheet is EVS worksheet. In this worksheet, look at the picture carefully and answer the question. First is blue is in the direction. Where is blue? Where is blue? Blue is not direction. So we write down north, and spelling of north is N-O-R-T-H, north. And clue is in the dash direction. Where is clue? So clue is south direction. And the spelling of south is S-O-U-T-H, south. Okay, next is monkey is in the dash direction. Where is monkey? Monkey is west direction. W-E-S-T, west. Next is snake is the dash direction. Snake is the east direction. We write down east, and spelling of the east is E-A-S-T, east. Next is Surya is towards the dash of snake. Where is Surya? And Surya is west of the snake. So spelling of west is W-E-S-T. Next is Surya is towards the dash of monkey. So Surya is towards the east of monkey. Okay. So spelling of east is E-A-S-T. East. Okay. So in this worksheet, we write down the direction and name of the direction according to given.
Okay. So bye bye. Bye bye everyone.